Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Behind me is the most capable Ram, most capable one-ton pickup in its class really. 2021 Ram 3500 HO. This has got the 6.7 liter Cummins high output engine. What that means for you, 1,000 pounds of torque, 400 horsepower, and up to 35,000 pounds of towing capability, which is just unreal. Take a look at this. This is also a limited Ram. You get a unique front grille with the limited. Coming around to the side, has polished aluminum 17-inch wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires. Now, being the high output, what they've done, they've re-engineered this engine from the block to the crankcase, everything to get that extra torque out of it. So you get an extra 150 foot-pounds of torque compared to the normal 6.7, and an extra 30 horsepower as well, which gets you that extra 12,000 pounds of towing capability in this Ram pickup. This does have the dampening tailgate. You notice how it goes down slow. It's not going to fall down on you or anything like that. 8-foot bed, which allows you to have this standard Ram fifth wheel hitch. This is not a slider or anything like that, not required in a 8-foot bed, and this is 100% factory. You can see how it's got the factory puck system, and that fifth wheel slides right down in it. Now, if you want to remove that, 4 simple tractor pins and out it comes. So it's nice, slick, and it's done from the factory, so there's no pre-drilling into the frame or anything like that to compromise any integrity there. As well as that, your full hookups for towing are right back here. So you have your 7-pin wiring, your 4-pin flat, and you also have a 110 volt, 400 watt auxiliary output there for electricity if needed. Okay, now that we're inside this limited pickup, I wanted to show you just a couple of the features that makes this truck unique as a limited pickup. And it starts with the power running boards. When you open the entry doors, the running boards will come out to assist you to come in, part of that limited package, as well as this 12-inch integrated touchscreen radio that's going to do everything from your radio functions to climate control for the heated seats, air conditioned seats. Also, it's got navigation built in it and several cameras as you're backing up to help you see what's behind you as well as what's in front of you. On top of that, this also has the alternate trailer height mode where you can push this, and this is going to lower the rear end up to 1 inch to allow for better trailer towing. On top of that, you also have the engine exhaust brake control right here and a tow haul button that is going to re-gear this particular truck so it is most efficient while towing. As well as that, you got to take a look at the seating and the limited emblems. Really just a super comfortable truck to drive down the road. Definitely take a look at this pickup if you are in the market for a high-end luxury pickup truck. Well, thanks for watching our video. If you're like me, you fell in love all over again with this Ram 3500 Limited HO pickup truck. For more information, take a look at the links below. You can find our website with pictures and availability. And as always, we would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you'd like to special order your truck, we have factory direct pricing here at Sherry Chrysler, and we can deliver these trucks to you just like a pizza pie. So whether you're in Piqua, Ohio or Santa Fe, California, we can be your Ram pickup truck dealer.